Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold his eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you?
So alright guys, now I'm just gonna take this shade and I'm gonna apply this on my crease area to define the crease. So in case if you just don't have this kind of shade in your palette, what you can do is you can also use a bronzer, guys, just like any bronzer that you just have to kind of like contour the crease area. So I'm not like doing like a lot of contouring, just like a teeny bit of it in the crease, and mostly I'm just concentrating it on the outer V part of it. So just like putting a little more color on the outer V. Alright, so now I'm gonna take up another brush. I'm gonna take up a little smaller fluffy blending brush. So this one is a shader crease brush. It's just basically have like a very tiny fluffy kind of, and just place that in the inner corner. Okay guys, so I just think I just have to go with another brush. It's not like doing a good job. So alright guys, I'm just taking the same Sigma brush, the previous one, and I'm just placing that color in the inner corner. So basically kind of like doing a halo eye in here. Just blending that on the outer V and in the outer crease area. So placing this in the inner corner, blending this in the inner crease area. So just doing the same for the other eye now. Just taking a clean fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. So I'm just gonna take up this shade right here from the KKW Mario palette. This shade is called Albanian, I guess. Yep. And I'm gonna place this on the outer V. That. And also in the inner corner of the eye, guys, just basically doing a halo eye. And what I'm doing is I'm just like packing the color in there and kind of intensifying it until I get that desired intensity of color. So now I'm gonna just take another like the same clean fluffy blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. And just like look at this guys, I didn't take this darker color in between the crease area over here. So just kept this darker color in the inner corner, in the inner eyelid area, I mean like in the inner crease area, outer V, and on the outer crease area. So now comes the fun part, guys. So I'm just gonna take up so I'm just gonna take up like this shade and mix bit of like this shade over here, and I'm just gonna apply this right from the, you know, the arch area to the inner halo area, like the inner part of the lid area where we didn't apply like any shadow in there. So I'm just gonna mix these two shades and just like placing that like right up there from the arch area. And I'm just like, you know, intensifying that color until I get that desired, you know, like intensity of color in there. Can you see that, you know, it's kind of like it has that like light refracting kind of a thing going on all the way from this arch area to the lid area. Whoa. You know, I love this effect of the eyeshadow, guys. It's just like so bomb. Just doing the same for the other eye. I think I took like a little too much in there. Okay, just working with this product in here. Okay guys, can you just see that? You know, it's like how bomb that is. Just like, you know, this is actually a eyeshadow look which Mario has done on Kim Kardashian. So he has done this look for the Met Gala and also for another time. Let me just show you that picture like really quickly. So this one over here, can you just see that, you know, that light kind of like that lighter shade which went from all the way to the, you know, the eyebrow area to the bottom lid area. So this is what he has also done, same thing for the Met Gala, but with a different version, like different colors with that wetty look and all of that. So I'm just kind of like, not exactly a recreation of that look. It's just like I'm just trying to do, incorporate that eye technique in today's look, but I'm just gonna do like my version of it by applying a little, you know, different lipstick and everything of that. It's just not, it's not a recreation. It's incorporating that technique into this look, but it's completely a different look. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take up another new product. So this one is from Artist Kocha. This is the Diamond Lights Finisher Loose Pearls. I think you can just use it as an eyeshadow or like body glitter or face glitter, I guess. I think it's like a multi-purpose product, I guess. So this is in the shade called Spotlight Glitz, by the way. So this is the product, guys. And let me just open this up. So I swatched this at Sephora, and you know what, I literally fell in love with this color. And I also tried out the other shades from this range, and they were like so freaking good, guys. So okay, so I'm just gonna take a little, you get this kind of packaging over here, you just have that. So I'm just gonna take a bit of that in the cap area over here. Let me just swatch that on the back of my hand for you guys. Oh, can you just see that glitter, guys? It's just so nice. It's just giving that, you know, perfect, if you just want to create that wet eye makeup look, I think that this you know, this particular thing over here, this particular one from the Artist Kocha works damn amazing, guys. You just have that, you know, a very wetty kind of like reflective shine to it. It's just not like a chunky glitter. It has some kind of like, it's not wet, it's like actually a dry product, but it has that wet look to it when you apply it. It's not like chunky, it's not like overpowering glitter, it's not like over the top kind of glitter, but it's just like very, I really don't know like how to explain that. It's just like damn good. If you just want to create the Kim K's a wet eyeshadow look, then you know what, this works damn good, I guess. So okay, now I just wanna take this up with the same brush that we applied. This is the Sigma shader brush. I'm just gonna take up a little bit of that on this brush, and I'm gonna apply this on the like the middle part of the lid area, guys, where we applied the shimmer shadow like that. Oops. Want to, you know, like blend that thing out with the fingers over there. Oh my god, guys, this is just so damn good. I freaking loved it. So I'm gonna take up this Red and Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna take up the black shade right over here because this palette doesn't actually come with a black shade. So I'm just taking like this a black shade from this one, and I'm gonna slightly apply this on my line over there. Oops, I think I messed it up. And you know what? I'm just like applying this very, very close to my lash line, guys. So yes guys, I just want a little bit of you know, that black color definition going on that band over there, that upper lash line band over there. So that's the reason I just apply a little bit of that black shadow over there. In case if you just don't want to, you can just like leave that look like that, because anyway if you just put on like false lashes, it's just gonna give a little of that definition, but I want a little more extra definition over there, so that's why I just like did that. So yeah, now I'll be going back with the bottom lash line part once I'm done with the base makeup. So I'll be just quickly do my base makeup and I'll just come on the camera. And now I'm taking this smudger brush from Morphe and I'm just gonna smudge that lower lash line. This pencil works the best for smudging, guys. So I'm just taking this brush again from Morphe and I'm gonna take up this dark brown shadow over here, and I'm gonna apply that below the black eyeshadow. Just like very slightly below that. So now I'm just gonna apply some mascara, the NARS Climax mascara, which is my go-to right now, and I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes with that, and then I'll be applying some false lashes on. We'll just like quickly come back after putting that false lashes on and we'll be doing the rest of the makeup. So I'm taking this Hoola Benefit bronzer to contour my cheek area today. So I'm gonna take up my brush and just, you know, like contour that nose area as well. So perfect, and now I want to go with the blush today, and for the blush I'm gonna take up this blush from Milani. It's in number 12. This shade is called Bella Bellini. It's a baked powder blush in the shade Bella Bellini. Do you pronounce it like that? So whatever, the number is 12. So I'm just gonna take up my blush brush and okay, something fell down. What is that? Okay. There's another blush which fell down. Oh my hair. Okay, why is this one like coming out? So I'm just gonna take up this blush. Just look at that color, guys. Oh, it's so peachy, like a very peachy, shimmery, goldeny, shimmery kind of shade. And I'm just gonna apply this on my apples of my cheeks. Smile like that. It has got like more of a goldeny tint in it, guys. It's just acting as like a highlighter to me, but it has that little peachy sheen to it as well. It's just like pretty. When you don't want to apply any highlighter, I guess you can just like go with this blush alone. I'm just like, you know, I am just obsessed with the Milani baked blushes, you know. Oh, what is this back of my brush? Okay, so I'm just like so much obsessed with the Milani baked blushes, guys. You know, especially the shimmer ones. They are giving like such a warm glow on the apples of cheeks there. And now for the highlighter today, I'm gonna use okay, so there's some powder on top of this palette right here. So I'm gonna use the Alexi Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm gonna take up let me just take a highlighter brush. Here it is. So I just want to spritz some MAC Fix Plus on that. Max, what is Max? Okay, MAC Fix Plus on that. Just like 2 pumps of that, more than enough. And I'm gonna take up, you know, like this gold shade right over here and this rose goldy peachy kind of shade right over here. I'm just gonna mix these two. Ta-da. I'm gonna apply this on my high points. Right over here. Whoa, just look at that glow, you guys. It's like, okay guys, let me just tell you something about this product. You know what, this is one of the best highlighter formulas that I have ever used. I have never known about this brand. Like I haven't heard about this brand. This is something which I got in the Mario's makeup back kit, and you know what, immediately when I tried this palette out, this just became my favorite highlighter. And this is just like such a finely milled, super fine quality formula. It's just like so luxurious. It's not at all chunky, guys. I mean, like, this is my favorite highlighter palette. Isn't this palette the perfect highlighter goals? Okay, I just think I went a little overboard, but you know what, there is nothing like too much highlighter on your skin. It's alright. I'm just like blending this highlighter out, just like, you know, like pressing this highlighter into my skin like that with the same damp beauty sponge. I'm huge a fan of this glow, like that glow. Okay, so I'm just applying the same highlighter on the bridge of my nose. Look at that. Oh my god, guys, just like this glow is like out of this world. Over here, applying a bit of it, like slightly a bit of it on my cupid's bow. Oops. Over here, slightly, just like slightly on my chin. So now I'm just gonna quickly go with the lipstick, and for the lipstick today I'm just gonna use a new lipstick today. So this one is from Smashbox. So this is the shade called Driver's Seat. It's the always on liquid lipstick. Look at that, perfect. Oh my god, it's a perfect match to my nail color. I'm liking it. I'm literally liking this shade on me. It's a super good, a peachy, you know, like a peachy kind of shade. Yep. So let me just quickly spray some Fix Plus on my skin and we're done with the makeup look. That's all for this video, guys, and do let me know your thoughts and what do you think of this makeup look in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And also, if you like this makeup look and this makeup tutorial, this video, please do hit that like button, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. And also, guys, do follow me on my Instagram, because I'll be putting up like 1-minute makeup tutorials and also some life updates, some makeup updates and everything of that on my Instagram stories. So in case if you want to check that out, do follow me on my Instagram. I'll be leaving the handle in the description box below. It's Keerthi Kumar Makeup. And yes, guys, we'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.